Hey everybody, it's Bert from neohandyman.com again. I have a slow draining sink here. I was going to break out the plumber's snake, do it the old-fashioned way, but my wife came up with an alternative that she had seen someplace. I don't know. But she suggested I use baking soda and vinegar to break up this clog. So, as much as I hate using the snake, I'm going to give this a shot. So this is a little more than a quart, I'd say, of boiling water that I'm pouring directly down the drain. And that's a good starter, I guess. Let's see if we can speed this up a little bit for you. Next, I'm going to open a box of baking soda. This has been around my house a while, but it'll still work. It's a little clumpy. I poured about half the box into the drain, just in case I needed to do this more than once. Not quite done yet. And there we go. Okay, next I actually had to use 2 bottles of distilled white vinegar. This one was pretty close to empty, but you can see the chemical reaction actually beginning to occur here. Drain that out. The rest of that will go directly into the drain where the better part of the reaction is supposed to occur. Now the weird part is you actually have to stuff up the holes. I'm not 100% sure why. I'm guessing you have to trap the gas inside the pipe, but this is what my wife had prescribed, so I'm going along with it. There's one. And here's the other. Now this is going to sit for about 20 minutes. Here we are 20 minutes later. We will pull out the stops, and we're going to pour another quart of boiling water down in the drain. And you see it began to fill up the pipe itself, and then kind of immediately sank. So I have high hopes. Now we rinse it out. See how this goes. Well, I got to tell you, I didn't expect this to work. Kudos to my wife for saving me the effort. Although I will tell you that if this were a completely clogged drain, I don't know that this would have worked. I think that if it was clogged, the vinegar and the baking soda would not have penetrated all the way through. In the end, I really thought this was going to be some killing bugs with hairspray scheme. But to my wife's credit, this one really worked out. So anyway, if you're going to give this a shot, good luck. Hopefully it'll save you the drudgery of having to use the plumber's snake, or worse, having to call in a professional. If you found this at all helpful, please feel free to give my wife the thumbs up. And feel free to subscribe. There will be plenty more videos coming in the next few weeks. So I hope to see you then. Best of luck to you all.